There is, of course, a massive face-off over the remarks that were made by Mamata Banerjee a few days ago. Now, the Chief Minister of West Bengal had stated that she would give refuge to people from strife-torn region in Bangladesh. This as clashes continue across the country for over a week now. Let's go across to Kishle. He's joining us with the latest on that. Kishle, we understand that the West Bengal governor has now made it amply clear that he sought a report from the Chief Minister on the remarks that she made, given that the issue of providing refuge to those from another country is the matter that primarily rests with the central government. Take us through that report, the details that have been sought by the governor from the Chief Minister.
Well, exactly, Samiksha. The governor has minced no words to make it clear that the whole responsibility of inviting citizens of other countries or letting them stay in a particular place within India lies with the central government. It is not at all a concern of the state government or any chief minister to make any statement about how foreigners from other countries, refugees from other countries will be allowed to stay here. Well, Mamata Banerjee made a comment on 21st July saying that if anyone requests or knocks our doors, we will be opening our door for them from Bangladesh, anyone who is coming in West Bengal. After that, the governor has sought a detailed report citing on what ground the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has spoken such words and what allows her to go beyond the constitution to say things which is not within her purview. The governor has sought a report, asked for an explanation, but we are learning, according to our sources, Mamata Banerjee has not yet responded to that demand, to that letter or notice. We are waiting for that. However, we also know that from Bangladesh as well, we have statements that they have also observed why a particular chief minister will speak about Bangladesh, and it is not of her concern. So similar statements came also from the External Affairs Ministry and the Home Ministry of Indian government, according to sources. So it is, of course, beyond her purview that she spoke, and the governor has now sought a report from Mamata Banerjee.
All right, Kishle, thank you for the Moments So report that's been sought by the governor from the Chief Minister. For now, let's take a look at other stories that we're tracking. This is Bharat in 5 minutes. Indie bloc leaders have termed the union budget as discriminatory against the opposition, ruled states. The opposition leaders say that the budget has been made to save the government's share and that several key issues like the expectation on MSP on crops have not been addressed. The Indie Alliance leaders will also hold a protest to show their displeasure against the budget. In fact, they did hold a protest before the parliament session commenced over the union budget presentation. Delhi woke up to a downpour with heavy rain sweeping through the region. According to the IMD, intermittent light rainfall is expected throughout the day along the generally cloudy skies. The weather department has predicted a maximum temperature of around 36 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of about 27 degrees Celsius. YSRCP Chief Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy will today stage a protest in the national capital against the alleged deteriorating law and order situation and violence in the state of Andhra Pradesh. As per reports, Jagan Mohan Reddy may also seek meetings with President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Modi and Union Home Minister to discuss the issue. This will be Jagan Mohan Reddy's first visit to the national capital following his party's defeat in the recently conducted assembly elections.